We begin with a powerful snowstorm that struck northeast United States, bringing blizzard conditions from Maryland to Maine. Heavy snowfall and strong winds have forced millions of residents indoors as officials declared states of emergency across the region. More than 40 million people across the northeastern U.S. were under severe weather warnings as a powerful nor'easter swept through the region. Air travel ground to a halt with more than 5,700 flights canceled. Train and bus services were suspended, leaving commuters stranded. Thousands of homes and businesses lost power as the storm intensified, and wind gusts reaching 113 kilometers per hour raised the risk of falling trees and prolonged outages. In New York City, a state of emergency continues to remain in effect. The normally bustling streets were nearly empty as the snowstorm blanketed the city. More than 2,600 sanitation workers and 2,300 plows have been deployed to clear the streets. Mayor Zoran Mamdani has ordered residents to remain off the roads. Non-essential travel ban kept most residents indoors while buses and ambulances fitted with snow chains moved slowly through Manhattan. Major tourist hubs like Times Square stood nearly empty, and even the United Nations headquarters in Manhattan suspended operations as the storm brought daily life to a halt. Across Brooklyn and surrounding areas, shops and restaurants remain closed as the storm disrupted daily life. Central Park transformed into a winter playground, however, as New Yorkers ventured out after a heavy snowfall with schools closed. Many children were seen sledding down snowy hills, while families built snowmen and parkgoers staged snowball fights. Well, Central Park recorded nearly 20 inches of snow by Monday afternoon, the largest accumulation in over a decade.
So it's pretty strange because this is where you come for Manhattan Henge, and you can see all the way through to New Jersey where the sun sets. And now here, like today, because of the snow, you can't see past Grand Central, and it's all gray and dark, which is also very nice and peculiar, but kind of scary too.
In Boston, blizzards forced widespread flight cancellations, disrupted travel, and left streets coated in deep drifts. In Hull, Massachusetts, towering waves slammed into oceanfront homes as a snowstorm brought about massive coastal flooding and fierce winds apart from heavy snowfall.